too many ideas and not sure where to start painting? Here are 5 ideas worth checking out. Number 1. Flat washes. So flat washes is a very beginner friendly practice, and anybody who's starting out with watercolors is recommended to try painting flat washes. But even now, when I'm just sitting idly and have nothing better to do, I just take out my paint and brush and just paint a flat wash. It's just so beautiful and so relaxing at the same time. Number 2. Simple shapes. I feel we sometimes get caught up in these really complex paintings that we undervalue the importance of simplicity. So simple shapes can be anything. Circles, squares, triangles. I also love to paint bubbles, which are just circles which are a bit transparent in the center. Number 3. Silhouette. So I went through this whole phase, I believe, where I just loved painting silhouettes. I would make a beautiful flat wash background and paint a silhouette on it. You can type in silhouettes on Google to get a few ideas, and you can paint them with any background of your choice. Number 4. Landscapes. You might have heard that watercolors have a mind of their own, and that's true, they do. So somehow watercolors are really suitable for landscape paintings. Here are a few examples of what you can paint. Number 5. Loose florals. So I tried painting watercolor florals very recently. I had seen a lot of people do that, but somehow I didn't. So I learned to paint watercolor florals for a Skillshare class, and trust me, it was so much fun and so easy at the same time, and it looked beautiful. Again, it is one of those very relaxing painting ideas where you really don't have to worry about anything. You just go with the flow kind of painting. So these are my top 5 painting ideas. Tell me which one of these you haven't tried yet.